Today, we will show how to install and set up a Telguard virtual modem. Start by double-clicking the TVM icon as shown on the home screen of this computer. If required, enter your Windows login credentials. Once you have entered your Windows login credentials, the software is going to populate the virtual modem installation screen. This is where you will set up your COM ports. Select the Add button to add a COM port. Enter your username and password for telguard.com. The TVM modem and mode settings remain default value. Modem type is general and mode is 0. Select OK to continue the installation process. The installation software tests the COM port. The server test checks the internet connectivity, and the port test checks the provider's credentials for telguard.com, and that will connect to the proper dealer. Once the test is complete, select the Close button. The software will create a virtual modem and assign a COM port automatically. Note which COM port is assigned, since this information is required to set up the communications using the TVM. Now, close the TVM by selecting the X button. In this example, COM port 3 will be the COM port you will select when using the Enterprise Downloader, DLS5, or Compass software. The subscriber number for the Telguard unit you're trying to use will be used as the phone number within the Enterprise Downloader, DLS5, or Compass software. The Telguard virtual modem is also compatible with the DLX900 software, but another step is required. To set up the COM port for DLX900, use the Windows search bar to open Device Manager. If required, enter your Windows login credentials. Once the Device Manager is open, click on the computer name as shown and then select the Action tab. Within Actions, select Add Legacy Hardware. A wizard is displayed. Select Next to continue the process. Now select the button Install the hardware that I manually select from a list and select the Next button. Once you have come to this list, you are going to scroll down until you see Modems and then select Next. After you have selected Next, you will get to this screen. Select the checkbox Don't detect my modem. I will select it from a list and select the Next button. The Add Hardware wizard will display a list of modems to select from. For the DLX900, select the standard 300 BPS modem and then select the Next button. Select which COM port the modem will be installed with. Since COM port 3 is our example, select the COM port and then select Next. Select Finish to complete the installation. Close the Device Manager. You can now go into your DLX software and select the COM port that is now set up with the modem to communicate to the NX panel.